Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Independence, Wisconsin with my great friend Bill, who is awesome when it comes to the Profab boiler system. So Profab is going to include the Cozeburn and the Empyre line. Profab also fabricated Pelco boilers as well. So he is probably the most knowledgeable person in the industry that I know, specifically when it comes to Profab boilers, but also when it just comes to overall boiler questions. So we're going to go through a series of topics today to cover all of your guys' questions when it comes to the units and replacing the parts.
The snap disc is way in the back of that, where this control panel goes. This snap disc is way in the back. This is an automatic snap disc. It'll kick out at 190 if your stove overheats, and when this kicks out with these wires on it, it will not let the fan start. It will not let you boil the stove out anymore. If the door or the ash pan is open, it's still going to boil. If you catch it before you boil the water out and burn everything out, this will not kick back in till it gets down to 100, and it's got a 40-degree differential.
Okay.
So from 190, it'll go back to about 150, so it'll kick in 145, 150, 152, somewhere in that range.
Okay.
You had mentioned, asked about bypassing this.
Yes.
This we will not bypass.
Okay.
Under no circumstances, because you have got no control over your stove.
Okay.
So if your fan sticks open, this will shut your fan off. If you bypass this, this is a safety hazard if you do that. And it's also, this has to be installed on the stove for UL, because that stove has been UL certified, and that has to be in there. This has also been UL certified.
So you never bypass it to keep the stove running, but you could bypass it to check and see if it's the switch that's causing the blower not to function.
Most of the time, if you let the stove cool back down, if this controller's still working and this gets back down to 140, 150 degrees, and it doesn't kick back in, if it gets down to 140, most likely it's the wires are causing it not to. If this reads it accurate, it reads the temperature, this cable is okay, this is okay.
Okay.
This very seldom goes out unless it gets hot enough where it burns this plastic off of here.
Okay.
And that's typically, everything is melted in there, and all you see is a black gob of plastic down here.
Okay.
There's no question if it's burnt out or not.
It's done.
It's done. Yeah.
Okay. If you guys find these product overviews helpful, if you enjoy seeing this information, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up, you guys. That helps me so much. It keeps me traveling on the road to produce more videos for you guys. Also, do not forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click that little bell there, that'll notify you of all of the latest videos. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.